The 360 camera market is heating up with two major heavyweights, the DJI Osmo 360 and the Insta360 X6. But after putting both through real-world testing, which one actually gives you the better overall experience? Let's break down everything from A to Z, starting with what you get for your money. When it comes to price and value, DJI takes an early lead. The standard DJI package is considerably cheaper than the Insta360 X6. Even with that lower price tag, DJI packs the box with generous extras, a dedicated hard storage case, a lens protection cover, and essential accessories. Meanwhile, the Insta360 X6 comes in at a much higher price point, yet its standard bundle includes only a basic carrying pouch and a USB-C cable, leaving many users underwhelmed. Storage and ecosystem compatibility widen the gap even further. Internal storage. DJI includes a massive 105 gigabytes of usable internal storage, whereas the Insta360 X6 only offers around 47 gigabytes, which fills up fast when shooting high bitrate 360 video. Ecosystem and batteries. If you already use DJI gear, you'll love the backward compatibility. DJI's batteries work across previous generation panoramic cameras and cross-compatible series models. Plus, the quick-release mounting system integrates seamlessly with your existing accessories. Of course, no camera is perfect, and both models have distinct hardware trade-offs. DJI's weakness: heat during extended video recording, especially sessions lasting around an hour. The DJI Osmo 360 can become extremely hot to the touch. It also lacks direct cloud storage support out of the box. Insta360 strength. Cool running this is where the Insta360 X6 shines. After 1 to 2 hours of continuous, real-world recording, like long fishing videos, the X6 manages heat exceptionally well and never becomes uncomfortably hot. Beyond hardware, Insta360 fights back with software and creative freedom. When using the X6 single lens mode with gimbal-style shooting and pairing it with a head tracking module, you get a dynamic, responsive tracking experience that follows wherever you look. The X6 also supports direct cloud video uploads through its native subscription platform. DJI, on the other hand, keeps things more localized. Additionally, while the X6 startup is normally fast, it occasionally experiences a frustrating 2 to 3 second delay before the splash screen appears. So, which one deserves a spot in your kit? Go with the DJI Osmo 360 if you want better value for money, massive internal storage, lower entry costs, and seamless compatibility with older DJI accessories and batteries. It's the ultimate practical choice. Go with the Insta360 X6 if you have a flexible budget, prioritize advanced thermal management for long shoots, and want access to deep creative shooting modes and a powerful editing app. Which camera fits your workflow better? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Hit subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and we'll see you in the next video.